this note from the cover of a ship. A man saw the stranger. Could notice that there was a rare being with the appearance of a man between the mist.
Take a small boat and bring the corpse.
Be alive. Prepare warm water and a bed.
On April 29th, that man could speak. His name was Frankenstein, Victor Frankenstein. He was chasing an assassin.
I have 2 brothers, Ernst and William, and a faithful friend called Henry Clerval. Also I had a sister who was adopted by my parents, called Elizabeth.
One day, while he was walking about Geneva's mountain, one began to get dark the sky and, immediately of this, saw the power of the beams when I initiate the storm.
Wow, it is really extraordinary what can do the nature. If a beam can destroy a life, then it might create it also.
Unfortunately, the mother of Victor died. Before dividing, her dedicated a few last words to her son.
Victor, Debits have taken now my place, taking care of the family, finishing your studies and returning to marry Elizabeth, to whom I let's be that you love too much. Make her happy.
Frankenstein went to be studied to Ingolstadt University. He had listened that a famous teacher called Waldman was there and that he was making an investigation. Victor, I studied the greatest still teacher Waldman. And I come the hour of knowing it. He went to his laboratory.
I came to offer him my help, and to help him to conclude the investigation together. Teacher,
I am afraid Frankenstein will not last any more than 1 month. I am for destroying my advances of the investigation.
I do not deal because his work is so dangerous.
Because it creates life. In wrong hands he might be a lethal Frankenstein.
Frankenstein thought that it was better to give the reason to the teacher. He might memorize everything what it was destroying. The last piece that was failing him to know Frankenstein for the origin of the life was consisting of the use of the electric power. Then Mr. Waldman died. Frankenstein in the laboratory of the late teacher. He was determined to create life. He took parts of corpses and he placed the brain of feature. Frankenstein chose the parts of the body for the creature that would give him life and turned out to be a monster, a beast.
I received a letter. Dear son, has happened a terrible tragedy. Your brother William has been murdered. Come as soon as possible.
After knowing the terrible news, he went at once to Geneva, saw his father and Elizabeth waiting for him in the train station.
Father, say to me that it happened to William.
The doctor said to us that he was attacked by a madman. A wild fit of rage, and the medallion of silver that was going in the neck did not have it when one found him dead.
Justine was the principal suspect. Victor contracted the best attorney and tried to demonstrate Justine's innocence, but they declared guilty. After the death of Justine, Frankenstein was walking where they had murdered his brother. Suddenly he saw to the creature that he had created.